Amanda and Sam come to the diary room.
How are you both?
We're fine, thanks. Dad, happy because you've put a magician in the house, and I said I wanted a magician in the house, and you've done it. It's Dad good. So good. He's teaching us loads and loads of tricks. Because Liam's a magician. Dad excited. I've just been doing loads of magic tricks, and I can learn how to fly.
What magic tricks is he showing you?
Loads. Like one where you go under the ground. And one where you fly. And one where you swallow a fag. And one where you can see what finger you're thinking in your head. And one where you disappear this thing and your hand lands up in your hat. And it landed behind Amanda's ear. And cringe. I snored last night, and not just Mandy. Even worse cringe. But Billy heard me snoring. 3 people in the room heard me snoring like a man. Ah! And I woke up, I was like, witch-chat. And they made up her eyelashes like this. And they made up a song for me saying, introduce yourself. Away. Introduce yourself. Okay. I'm Sam. I love a tan. I snore just like a man. Woo! I actually don't snore normally. She does.